how to withdraw money from Treasure NFT to SafePal wallet. So to do this, first you need to log into your Treasure NFT account. So go to your Treasure NFT account through the platform or the app. Then locate the withdrawal section. So find the withdrawal or the cash out section, which is usually within your wallet or the account overview. And then select the withdrawal method. So choose SafePal as your preferred withdrawal method. And then connect your SafePal wallet. If it's required, you can connect your SafePal wallet to the Treasure NFT platform, and then you want to enter your withdrawal amount. So specify the amount of funds you want to withdraw from Treasure NFT. Then verify the transaction details. So carefully review all the information, including the withdrawal address, which should be your SafePal wallet address, and the amount and any associated fees. Then confirm the withdrawal. So confirm the transaction on both the Treasure NFT platform and your SafePal wallet. And then lastly, monitor the withdrawal. So keep an eye on your SafePal wallet to make sure the incoming funds and monitor the transaction status on the Treasure NFT platform.